Going to discuss the types of lenses according to focal length. First is the normal lens, is a useful and versatile tool for photographers of all levels and is often considered an essential part of any camera kit. Next is the wide angle lens, is a valuable tool for any photographers looking for capture expensive scenes or create unique and creative images. Next is the telephoto lens, is a valuable tool for any photographer looking to capture distant subject in greater details or create a shallow depth of field effect. Next is the macro lens, is a valuable tool for any photographer looking to capture extreme close-up image of small object. And the last one is the zoom lens, is a valuable tool for any photographer looking for versatility and convenience in their lens choice.